Hello friends, here in this latest episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel, you will know 5 simple and effective tricks to get a lots of flowers in Adenium. So basically we all know that Adenium is a succulent plant. So before getting more flowers, we have to keep in mind that 1 or 2 fertilizer is not enough to get more flowers in any plant. We have to provide everything that what plant need. So watch the video till end. I will try to cover everything to get more flowers in Adenium. But please consider subscribing if you have not yet done. So first, you have to provide correct potting media. Adenium loves well drainage potting media. So we have to provide that. You can mix big pieces, sand, small gravels to make it well drained. I have a detailed video on succulent potting media. You can check it, I gave the link in the description. Second factor is sunlight. As it is a desert plant, we have to provide 7 to 8 hours of full sunlight. Don't worry about it, Adenium loves sunlight. Third factor is watering. We all know that the water requirement of a succulent is so less. It is true, but never allow the potting media to dry for many days. It will have negative effect on your plant. We need to keep our plant fresh, so water the plant, let the soil dry completely once and then water again. It is the best process of watering. Fourth factor is to protect it from diseases. So succulents are commonly infected by fungus diseases. So regular use of antifungal is must. I have a detailed video on how to use antifungal to prevent fungus diseases. You can check it out. I gave the link in the description. Now I am telling the fifth tip, but do not skip the video. I will give a bonus tip at the end of the video. So the fifth factor is using proper fertilizer. If you have completed previous 4 tasks, then it will work. Otherwise not. Fertilizer is important, but providing the proper environment is as important as that. So during flowering season of Adenium, which is spring to late autumn, you have to use potassium and phosphorus based fertilizer. You can make a solution of superphosphate and potassium and apply it in every 15 days. And also you have to use vermicompost or any compost, but that should be completely decomposed. Use it every month in your Adenium, but don't use it too much. 1 handful of compost is enough for a big plant. If you don't have vermicompost or any other compost, you can make it at home for free from your kitchen waste. I have a detailed video on how to make compost at home. You can check out from the link in the description. Use according to your plant size and age. And one more important thing is needed, that is using a slow releasing fertilizer that contains phosphorus. Bone meal is best here. Use 1 or 2 tablespoons of bone meal in every month will be enough. Now the bonus tip.
But before that, if you want to know how to make a beautiful Adenium bonsai like this, then you can check the video from the link in the description.
Now the bonus tip. For more flowering, you will need more branches in your Adenium. But Adeniums do not produce lot of branches naturally. I will make a video on how you can generate more branches in your Adenium. So stay connected by subscribing. Do all this and you will get 100% result for sure. So that is all for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel as interesting videos are keep coming. So see you guys in the next episode. Until then, stay safe and keep supporting. Thank you.